Well, hey there, it's John here, and I'm back in the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center with another experiment that you guys can do right at home. Because this week is Teacher Appreciation Week, we have a apple a day type activity because teachers always have an apple on their desk. I don't know what they do with all their apples, but here's an activity that you can do with all of your leftover apples at home. We can turn these basic materials into an apple cannon. What you will need is some kind of tube. It could be like a PVC plastic tube. This one is 1 inch in diameter, and if you were trying to fill it with an apple core, it would probably eat up the whole apple. So this one's a little bit too big. Don't want that one. Here we have a 1/2 inch tube. That's a little bit better, but wait, we have one that's even smaller. It's about 1/4 of an inch. And it's clear. You can actually see right through it. Ideal. Perfect. So we have our apple cannon barrel here. We also need a plunger. Not like a toilet plunger, but some kind of a stick that you can actually push inside of our barrel. It could be metal or wood. You could actually go out to the backyard and just get a stick to actually poke through it. But we actually have a matching acrylic clear plunger here. Again, it has to be small enough, skinny enough that it can actually fit inside of our barrel. Perfect. Now to load our apple cannon, you're going to take your barrel and an apple, literally just poke it right into the apple. That will actually pull a little plug of apple chunk. It's important that it has the skin on it too. So you will want to load up one side with a piece of apple core, and you're going to rinse and repeat on the other side. Now, because we're going to have apples flying through the air, safety is important. Goggles. Now, when we take our plunger and press against one of these apple cores, something's going to happen with this other one. You might actually see some bubbles forming as little air is compressed in between the two cores, but if the air pressure gets too much, it's going to fly out, push out that other apple core and just send it flying across the room. The awesome thing about this is now that we still have this core here, all we have to do is load up the other side and it's reloaded for firing. Let's make sure it happens again because science should be repeatable. Oh, here's another thing. Because these apple cores are kind of a lot bigger than the other one was, as we're compressing the air molecules in between, you might have to really press hard to... It's raining applesauce. That's awesome. Try this at home, guys. It's a super easy, super awesome, super fun activity. Be sure to thank all of your teachers this week and every day because they work so hard to make a positive impact on our life. So thank you to all the teachers out there, especially those right now who are trying to reinvent their classroom online. Also, thank you to all the parents and guardians who are finding themselves teachers right now as well. Right now, I think I'm gonna actually go make some applesauce. See you later, guys. Bye. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Nailed it.